guys, so I've just received my first makeup package from Arbonne. I'm super excited to show it to you. For any of you who don't know what Arbonne is, it's a company who dedicates their time and money into helping save the planet. Not only that, but they also have a charity called Flourish. That charity was created to help empower teenagers, so I'll pop the link down below and you can have a look at that. The reason I decided to collaborate with Arbonne is because I did a little bit of research and I found that a couple of my makeup products were not cruelty free. So instead of just randomly jumping into a new brand, I thought I'd do my research and find out what products are not only healthy for my skin, but also cruelty free and great for the environment. So I'm hoping that I've got some really great stuff in here. Let's go. There we go. Ooh. So excited. Okay, so that's everything I've got. Okay, let's see what we have. So, first up is Setting Pretty Translucent Loose Powder. Makeup primer. The makeup primer I have tried before and that is really nice because it's really silky, which I haven't found with some other primers that I've used. So that will be exciting. I do remember buying quite a few lip products, so I'm just gonna search for them. 1, 2, maybe, is that right? Oh, 3, just 3. Okay, first off, we've got the Tulip lip liner, a natural colour that I've gone for, and I've got a lipstick that will match it. Now this lipstick is actually called Rose, so it is very similar though. I don't know if you can see the colours. Yeah, they're very similar. Anyway, so I've got that. Now one thing that I've kind of gone really out there with is the lip gloss. The lip gloss is called Mimosa. More like a bright pinky red, which I've never tried before, so that's gonna be exciting. Let's go for the eyes. So I've gone for It's a Fine Line eyeliner. I usually go for black eyeliners, but I've got quite a few already, so I thought I would switch it up a bit. I haven't used brown eyeliner in like the longest time. Carob. Carob. Pretty sure it's Carob. So that's the eyeliner. Next up is the mascara. Now I'm really gutted about this because mascara was one of the items that wasn't cruelty free, which I was super gutted about. When I researched and found out it wasn't cruelty free, I threw it away and I brought this one in instead. So this one is the Speak Volumes mascara. And what's next? We've got another eye product as well. Where is that? Where is it? We've got a Prime and Proper eye makeup primer. I've used one before and I really liked it, but it was tiny, so I used that pretty quick. This is obviously that size. This is a 3ml. So depending on how often you do your eyes, this is probably gonna last you. Then we've got eyebrows. So it has a brush on one side and it has an extendable pen on the other, crayon on the other side, which is really good because sometimes the lid of mine breaks and it like squashes the pencil, which is so annoying. So the good thing about this is that you don't need a sharpener. And that one is medium. Now with the brow cream, this is one that kind of has like a mini mascara brush on the end. This one is light medium. I've never tried one of these before, so that'll be very interesting. Yes, we'll see how that goes. What else do we have? Oh yes, sorry. I said we were going to continue with eyes and I totally forgot. This is It's All in the Eyes. Now Arbonne do an It's All in the Eyes Volume 1 and Volume 2. I personally went for the Volume 1 and I believe there's a bit of shimmer in these ones as well. So that's that. I think I finished all the eyes. Foundation. So it's Perfecting Liquid Foundation and I believe I went for the shade Alabaster. Now I went for this shade because I think it was one of the lightest, and when you buy something online it's always difficult to know what shade you want to go for, but I used to go for an ivory, which obviously is really, really pale. So yeah, Alabaster looked like the best one for me. Likewise with the concealer, I went for Fair, because as you can see, I have fair skin tone. So it was only logical, let's face it. I've got a bronzer and I've got a blush. I don't tend to use blush, but when I do, I prefer to have more of a peachy kind of colour. That one is Dusty Rose, so hopefully that'll just kind of blush me up a bit, which is obviously what it's supposed to do because it's a blusher, so that would make a lot of sense. For anyone that doesn't like blusher, there's also a bronzer. Now this bronzer doesn't actually have the shade. Oh, it does. Terra. Kind of like a terracotta, I guess. Terra Abbronzante. Terra Abbronzante. Okay, I'm guessing that's what it is. It does say glow on bronzer, so it'll give like a shimmer, so that'd be very nice. So we have 2 more products. We've got another primer because I got a free gift. So this, exciting, is my free gift. So I've actually got 2 primers, which is amazing because they're both 30ml and I know I'm going to use a lot, so that's going to be really good to have 2 of them. My last item is Easy on the Eyes eye makeup remover. So that's everything. Now I am going to be using these products soon, so if any of you check out my makeup tutorials, make sure you keep yourself updated because I will be doing an Arbonne extravaganza. So rather than just seeing the boxes, you'll actually get to see the products properly and you'll get to see them on. And I would say I would try and use all the products, but I've got like 3 lip products and 4 eye makeup products, so that might not be plausible, but I'll certainly try. So yeah, thank you for watching and hopefully there'll be another one soon. I'll make sure I pop the link in the bottom, and if you have any questions at all, just comment and we'll answer them. Bye!